common challenge with self-contained refrigerated merchandisers is failure to clean the condenser coil, causing costly breakdowns and higher electric bills. When the condenser coil gets clogged with dust and debris, airflow to the compressor is restricted. Over time, the product temperatures increase and the life of the compressor is compromised. Structural Concepts has a solution. CleanSweep is the award-winning technology that solves the problem of dirty, clogged condenser coils by using an electronically controlled brush mechanism that automatically clears the coil of dust and debris every 24 hours. The brush mechanism cycles once per day to prevent the collection of debris on the fins of the coil. It's quiet, and it happens without anyone knowing that the work's being done. With CleanSweep, you have peace of mind knowing that your fresh food display is running efficiently and reliably. So ask about getting CleanSweep with your self-contained merchandiser. This is another great way that Structural Concepts help your displays and merchandisers last longer, save energy, and minimize operating costs.